Here we are again, Bob's Burgers, and this time it is officially my favourite character, Linda Belcher. Here we go. Oh, I love Linda's expressions. This, you can see already that it's Linda. I mean, the hair's not quite right. I need to work on that again. But even without the glasses, you can see it's her. She's got such a joyous expression. It makes me laugh so much. Absolutely my favourite character of all the wonderful characters there are on Bob's Burgers. And there are many, many. Who's your favourite? Tell me in the comments down below if you can. I would really love to know, because everyone's got a different favourite. Going right down the body here. We don't really need to do these, it's not going to be a full length body one, this one. We just need to get a bit of the character in there. I think hands on hips, Linda with her mouth open in a delightful smile. It's exactly how we're going to do this. And we can move on to the inking stage. Nice thick outlines for the outside, and we'll move on to a bit more detail in a moment. Going straight in with these red glasses on there. They are bold, aren't they? So I don't normally do colour at this stage, but I think it's worth doing on these ones. So here comes the flatting of the colours. Big blocks of skin colour for Linda. Then we'll zoom out, we'll do some of the hair. And this is really coming together already. It's one of those drawings that you don't have to wait till the end to see what we're going for. I think you can see exactly what we are going to get on this one. On top of the hair there, that's a nice light source, big wide eyes. Let's carry on. Good stuff. So just as we did the gags on Bob's video, we have the gags to do of the specials. You know, the special burger that's behind the counter in every episode, which is different every single time. So here's some of my favourites. Endive had the time of my life burger. Sweet chili on mine burger. Kales from the crypt burger. Footer fetish burger. The catch me if you cran burger. Bohemian radishy burger. Let's give 'em something shit talk about burger. Jagged little dill burger. One for the 90s fans there. Finally, itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot zucchini burger. And there's Linda. See you next time.